Hey guys, it's Andrew from Cardinal Kia. In this video, I'm going to show you how to properly access your wiper arms using wiper service mode in the 2025 Kia EV9. I have in front of me here a land all-wheel drive with premium package in pebble gray. Let's get started. Okay, so to start us off, I'm going to show you where the front wipers are located, and they're located just at the bottom of the windshield, of course, just underneath the hood. So if you tried to pull this back, you're going to end up making contact with the hood, and we don't want you to do that. So I'm going to show you the process we're going to do in order to get these to come up and stay so that we can pull them back and do what you got to do with them. And the rear wiper on the back here is tucked up underneath the spoiler, so it's out of the elements. So when we do that process, at the same time, this rear wiper is going to come down and we'll be able to get to that one. So let's hop inside and I'll show you how. Okay, so now that we're inside, we're going to head down to the shifter here. And we're going to go ahead and push the EV button once without your foot on the brake pedal. That puts the vehicle into accessory mode. Then we're going to hit it once more to turn on the rest of the electronics, one more time to put it into the off position, and then only one more time to put it back into accessory mode. It'll come up there. And then I'm going to press and hold up the wiper arm for a few seconds, and then you're going to see the front wipers are going to go up, and at the same time, the rear one will go down. So now we're going to head outside and take a look. And now that we're back outside, we can go ahead and pull the wiper arm back now. And now we can clean the blade, replace the blade, clean underneath, do whatever you need to do. And then once you're done, please make sure you put it back flat on the windshield because you don't want to do any damage if you accidentally put it back with the arm back here. And with the rear wiper down as well, same idea. You can now pull that up, replace it, clean it, do what you got to do. And please, again, just make sure that this is flat on the window once you're done with it. And once you're done with everything, all you have to do is go ahead and you can push the EV button again without your foot on the brake or with it to start it. Either way, go ahead and just hit the wiper arm and it's going to go ahead and put them all back into place. And that's how you do it. Thanks for watching, guys.